Hello. Imagine you're trying to push a toy car and then you try to push a real car. Which one is harder to move? The real car, right? That's because of something called mass, and it's related to force. Mass is how much stuff is in something. A toy car has less stuff in it, so it has less mass. A real car has a lot more matter or stuff, so it has more mass. We can think of mass as how heavy something is. Remember, a force is a push or pull, and we use forces every day to move things like pushing a door open or pulling a wagon. The more mass an object has, the more force you need to move it. This means that objects with more mass are harder to move and objects with less mass are easier to move. That's why it's easier to push a toy car than a real car. The toy car has less mass, so it needs less force to get it going. Let's look at some other examples. A bowling ball versus a soccer ball. A bowling ball has more mass than a soccer ball, so you need more force to throw a bowling ball the same distance as a soccer ball. An empty wagon versus a wagon full of bricks. The wagon full of bricks has more mass, so you need more force to pull it. Forces can do more than just start things moving. They can also stop moving objects or change their direction. But the amount of force still depends on the object's mass. It's harder to stop a heavy truck that has more mass than a light bicycle with less mass because the truck has more energy and therefore requires a greater force. So mass and force are related. Mass is the amount of stuff in an object, and force is what we use to move that object. The more mass an object has, the more force is required to change its motion. Thank you for watching.